Namaste traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll do a complete pre-market analysis for Nifty, combining global market cues with our key support and resistance levels. Today's outlook is clearly flat negative to negative, so risk management will be very important. Let's break everything step by step. Global market cues. First, let's understand the global picture. Nifty gift, indication, -0.33 flat negative. -0.54 clearly negative. Asian markets, -0.70 strongly negative. European markets, -0.41 negative. USD INR, -0.07 flat negative. Crude oil, -0.09 flat negative. Conclusion from global cues. No positive trigger anywhere. Markets are under pressure, but not in panic mode. This clearly supports our view, flat negative to negative day for Nifty. Important market context, Nifty is not in a strong trending zone. It is trading near crucial decision levels. So today, upside will be limited. Rallies may face selling pressure. Supports will decide the real direction. Resistance analysis, let's start with the upside resistance levels. R1, 26,105. This is the first selling zone. If Nifty opens flat or slightly up, expect rejection from here. R2, 26,163. Only possible if global cues improve suddenly. Even here, selling pressure is expected. R3, 26,221. Very strong resistance. In today's negative environment, this level looks difficult to cross. Conclusion on resistance, any move towards resistance should be treated as sell on rise. Support analysis, now the most important part for today, supports. S1, 25,947. This is the make or break level. If Nifty sustains below this, weakness will increase. S2, 25,852. First bearish target if S1 breaks. S3, 25,762. Very strong demand zone. Some bounce may come, but trend will still remain weak. S4, 25,704. If market reaches here, sentiment turns clearly bearish. Today's supports are more important than resistances. Today's possible scenarios: Scenario 1. Flat opening near yesterday close, market may stay range bound initially, but break below S1 equals sell signal. Scenario 2. Gap down opening, expect direct selling towards S2 S3. Scenario 3. Gap up opening, treat it as a selling opportunity near resistance. Do not chase long trades. Trading strategy for today's: sell below 25,947. Targets: 25,852, 25,762. Buy only if strong support jor clear reversal candle near S3. Scalp trades only. Avoid buying at resistance. Risk management rules. Trade after confirmation candle. Strict stop loss. Avoid over trading. Protect capital first. Final view or conclusion. To summarize today's market view. Global cues, negative. Nifty view, flat negative to negative. Strategy, sell on rise, trade supports carefully. Key level to watch, 25,947. Market is not for aggressive buying today. Trade light, trade smart. If you found this analysis useful, like, share and subscribe to the channel.